Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. I hope you people are in the best of your health. In today's small video, we will be discussing types of retinal detachment very briefly. If we classify retinal detachment, there are three types of retinal detachments. One is rhegmatogenous retinal detachment. The other is tractional retinal detachment, and the third one is exudative retinal detachment. Now let's start with the number one, rhegmatogenous retinal detachment. As the name rhegma suggests, rhegma means tear or break. So a break in the retina because of any cause, usually in high myopes the retina is very thin, and there are chances of a break in the retina and some other causes. A tear is produced, and afterwards the fluid in the vitreous goes from the vitreous cavity behind the neurosensory retina, and it detaches the neurosensory retina from the retinal pigment epithelium. If we define retinal detachment in any of the three types, basically it is the detachment between the retinal pigment epithelium and neurosensory retina. So the symptoms in rhegmatogenous retinal detachment are floaters, flashes of light, visual field effect, and severe visual loss if the macula is involved. The treatment is buckling and cryoplasty. I'm not going in detail, but just to give you an overview. In tractional retinal detachment, it is usually secondary to some diseases like proliferative diabetic retinopathy, penetrating trauma, and some other vascular diseases in which retinal blood vessels are involved. So what happens? Vitreous hemorrhage, new blood vessels, and all these things produce epiretinal membranes on the retina, which is called PVR, and it contracts from one end of the retina to the other. To simplify it, I'm telling you like that. It shrinks like that, and these 2 points are then come together and they cause attraction, which causes the tractional retinal detachments. The main symptom in this type is flashes of light, because there is a traction of the retina because of the pull of the vitreous. So there will be a sensation or feeling of light, like in rhegmatogenous retinal detachment. Its treatment is usually pars plana vitrectomy, in which epiretinal membranes are removed, retina is flattened, and internal tamponades in the form of silicone oil and gas, special gases, are inserted into the retinal cavity, and after 6 months or so they are taken off. So when the retina is flattened, and in both the cases, recpatogenous and tractional endolaser may also be performed. The last type of retinal detachment is exudative retinal detachment. It is because of something going on behind the retinal pigment epithelium, like posterior scleritis or Vogt-Kyenge-Harada syndrome or choroidal melanoma. So, for example, if the patient is suffering from posterior scleritis, the exudative fluid comes through the choroid, and by exudation it passes through the retinal pigment epithelium and goes behind the neurosensory retina and detaches the retina. In exudative retinal detachment, as there is no traction, the symptoms of flashes and floaters are not present, and sometimes it's very shallow and not detected easily. And the main diagnostic point in exudative retinal detachment is a phenomena which we call shifting fluid. If we ask the patient to lay down in the bed or in the spine position, the fluid will go and it will detach the retina and the patient's vision will deteriorate immediately. When we ask the patient to sit, the fluid will come to the inferior part of the retina because of the gravity, and the macula will temporarily will be in a better position and patient's vision will be restored. So its treatment is basically the treatment of the cause. For example, if we are talking about posterior scleritis, then we will have to treat it usually with the steroids, oral steroids. If it is a choroidal melanoma or something else, then the treatment of that disease will eventually resolve the exudative retinal detachment also. Thank you very much. Please write your comments below this video, and hope to see you people again with some new topic. Thank you very much.